Guys, this is Josh White2K2000, and today I have 4 reactions of McJuggernuggets of Psycho series. So my 4 reaction is Psycho Dad Drowns Xbox, Psycho Dad Wrecks Car, Psycho Kids Halloween Bloodbath, and Psycho Dad Chainsaws Xbox One. And let's get, so 4 reactions of Psycho series. Now let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, start.
So this is where he's been going.
Hey, you need any help there?
What is he doing?
Why are you always filming?
What are you doing in there?
Could you not go in here, please?
Alright, if
What?
I'll do that much. Jesus Christ, I'll put the camera down.
What happened?
I'm sorry, I just don't. I'm working out in there, and I don't want anyone to see. Like, it looks like there's sweat everywhere. And
There's
shit.
sweat
there's a bunch
everywhere?
of sweat everywhere, huh?
In there. I'm
What?
serious.
Okay.
I'm serious.
What do you mean?
Don't fucking go in there. I'm just gonna poop, so I'm gonna come back, and if I see you in there, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my
fine.
god.
What?
What the heck? What the heck is he doing?
Alright, fine.
I don't think so.
Alright,
He's
don't sweat your dick off.
what your Oh no. What the heck is going on?
You should not be doing this.
Oh. Somebody's gonna find out. I'm just watching my dog again. Really? A middle finger? You're just gonna flip at me? Oh my god. Oh, there's Jesse. Someone's gonna see this, and they're gonna be so pissed off. Yeah, I think it's true. He touched your thing. Maybe it just flew away when he runs. And now there's the fast motion. They're speeding up. Uh-oh. There's Psycho Dad. Oh. Busted. Oh no. What is he doing now? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And he does not know the camera's here. Well, I don't know, probably that notice. I don't know what to say anymore. He chuckles. He's busted. Craigslist? I don't care. He sounds really mad.
I'm gonna call child services. Call somebody, Jack.
My god.
This isn't right. You can't do this to your child.
Yes, I can. You're not listening. You're in my house. You're not listening.
I have a
Whoa,
game in there.
you're
I
not
have a
listening.
ring.
He's
It means
so
something
pissed.
to me. To us that you wouldn't-
Uh-oh.
I made a commitment to them.
Uh-oh.
I made a commitment to them.
Holy shit!
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
He just dropped his sweet Xbox. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you fucking crazy?
I can't believe that.
Why? His dad doesn't care. He's like,
I'm not telling you.
oh my god, there's his mom. Dang.
Shit, where'd he go?
And the
You guys are all mental.
mental. What?
You're still where you proud. You proud.
Oh my god.
Whatever. Hey, hello. It's your child. Do you even care?
What?
It's wet. Do you
I think it's
care?
wet.
Oh, it's wet. Yeah.
Oh my
It's broken.
god.
It's electronic.
Oh jeez.
I swear to God,
Uh,
if one more fucking habit, I get your whole fucking game.
Oh my god.
Gonna have him go swim with
Oh
the
my
fishies
God.
like your little Xbox there? Huh?
What?
Oh, you're
Really?
gonna
Now
have to
you're
watch
throwing your shirt
that.
off
How many things of yours
and
have
just
gotten
throw
wet
it in the
today?
dirt? Dang. Do you know how to vacuum? Oh yeah, now he's gonna dry his Wii. I mean his Xbox. Really?
Are you kidding me?
Seriously? Why do you care? Why do you care? It just dropped like one and really? Now you only have your pants because you had no shirt, no socks, and you're just going to close it on your garage. Oh my God! Look at him. What was that?
Xbox that you broke.
Oh.
I mean, I fixed it today.
Yeah, but you were supposed to do jobs
Oh.
today too.
Yeah, look at what I'm wearing. I did do it. I applied.
Are you sure, Jesse?
Now I can play video games because I'm gonna have a job.
I think he's lying.
The money for it.
I have money.
He sounds
Birthdays,
pissed.
Christmas.
Yeah, that doesn't count. I know you're out of money. Where'd you get the money?
Mom.
Your mom?
gives me money.
Oh.
Dad.
Oh my
Fuck.
God!
Holy
You just destroyed your car!
How am I gonna go to work, huh?
Oh my
How am I
God!
gonna go to work?
Holy shit.
Are
Dude.
You get the fuck out of here!
Oh my
Are you
God!
kidding me? That
The
is-
heck?
That is holy
Oh
shit.
no!
What the
Oh.
fuck?
Dang! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Why are you destroying the windows?
Do you realize how dangerous this is?
Why are you destroying this? Come on!
Fuck! Get me out of here!
Seriously, Jesse? Now you want to close your... Now you want to take your clothes off? Oh, Jesus.
I don't want it!
Oh my God.
This anymore! Fucking disabled!
What is this problem?
Fuck! Stop!
They're
filming
idiots.
This isn't entertaining for all you people watching!
Oh my God.
This costs a lot of money!
Oh my... Poor car. It's just been destroyed.
Dad! What are you doing?
What is he doing now?
Dad!
What is he doing?
I need this!
Why is he backing off?
Fuck!
What is he doing now?
What the hell are you doing?
Um...
Dad!
Uh...
Dad!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
You're mine. Start in the morning.
Uh.
Mowing the lawns. You're gonna make a living.
What?
I don't want to mow lawn!
Tough.
I don't want to be your slave!
Did he say slave?
What am I?
Why? Why him?
You don't even care!
He doesn't care. He's just filming and laugh at him.
And you laugh!
Yeah, he laughed.
I fucking hate this shit!
Oh my God.
Fucking clown shoes!
Clown shoes. Really? You're taking your shirt off again?
Fuck!
You gonna get bad?
Oh! He just fell in the puddle. Really? Are you kidding me? What is wrong with him? Why would he fell down in there? You're just a mess now. He's just a mess.
Adult
Don't
life.
flip at us.
I'm gonna get my car destroyed! I'm gonna destroy this goddamn camera!
Oh my God.
It's the night before.
Oh my gosh.
It's getting pretty close to midnight.
Is that Jason Voorhees' mask?
Scare the shit out of my little.
And is that Dad?
It's gonna be exciting.
Oh, I think it would be.
Yeah.
Wait, who is this guy? I don't know, probably somebody. Still watching my dog. He just... Sorry, I just kept watching him because... Uh-oh. Oh! With ketchup? What? Oh! Math! He got pranked. Jesse got pranked. Oh my god.
Were you born in blood? Or did you...
Ketchup everywhere.
Oh my
Chill, Jess. This is just disgusting. Ew.
And Dad, you're gonna be a part of this too? Of course. And who's that?
Who is it? Corn? His friend? Oh my god, now he's with him.
How disgusting!
Dad
and my friend and my brother.
Oh my god.
Sew me up. And now I'm going.
Oh, and now she's laughing. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny when he got pranked by ketchup all over his body.
I think he...
Yep, your job is done now.
I'm gonna give him back.
Yeah, go take a bath, Jess. Mission complete. Oh my lord.
Happy Halloween.
Oh wow, Jeffrey.
Alright, it's on.
I have the chainsaw from you guys pranking me on Halloween with ketchup and shit.
Okay.
Oh, now he's taking revenge.
What are you gonna do?
I'm doing the same thing you guys did.
Okay.
You just have to film it.
This better work, cause you
Yeah,
better,
original idea, I know.
it better not be a fail or something.
Where's your mask? Ketchup?
So you only have a chainsaw instead of mask and ketchup, cause that's disgusting, but it's hilarious.
What?
He looks like he's kind of mad. Here we go. What? Wait, what does he say? I don't get it. Here it comes.
What the fuck, dude? I didn't
Fail. Here it comes.
Shit.
What was that? That's how you do it.
I didn't know the prank was on. I was trying to get you back to the prank.
Yeah.
Violence in video games, isn't it?
The video games?
Violence in video games?
Yeah, that's
What do you mean the video games?
Most people don't do this stuff
You did it to me! I was just trying
Yeah.
in your video games.
Oh my god.
He asked me to.
What is he doing now? He just...
Look, I'm sorry I woke you up, but I was just trying to get revenge, alright?
Yeah.
Please don't go in my
That doesn't make
Dad,
sense,
Dad,
Jeff.
There's a lot of stuff in here that you
What did he
don't
do?
like to touch.
What is he gonna do?
Alright?
Where's the video games?
You shredded
What?
them all.
You
What
sure?
do mean,
You
I
shred
have
them.
video games?
Where are the video games?
I don't
How did he have games?
24/7. You're
24/7, what?
in your room.
Yeah, I sleep and I watch TV.
Oh
I
my-
don't play anymore. I don't
He doesn't have games.
destroy them all.
Well, actually, a lot of them are digital now, so they
Are
might
you
go
kidding
into...
What?
So where are they?
I'm so confused.
His Xbox is right there.
Oh, oh.
That's the Xbox One, Dad.
Oh no. Now he's gonna destroy it.
Dad,
Uh-oh.
Dad.
Oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing?
You just destroyed your plant, and now you're gonna destroy Xbox again?
You're not touching this.
Uh-oh.
You're not
Uh-oh.
taking away put it back.
Oh no.
Dad.
Uh-oh, don't. Not again, no. Oh my god. Now you destroy half of it. Did he destroy? Is it chainsaw?
There's plastic everywhere.
Oh my god.
Fuck out of here. You think that's funny? You think that's funny?
Really? Now you destroyed 2 plants and now you have mess all over your room? It's like dirt. Oh jeez. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oh no.
Shit. Holy shit!
Why would he do that? Oh my god. What is his problem? They're idiots now.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. There's the divorce. Here goes the divorce. Yeah, just leave them alone, Jeffrey. Just shut that door. They're idiots. Oh my gosh. Where did that come from? Where is he? What?
Swiss Family Jesse over
What?
here.
In there? What is he doing here? Crying?
Hey, buddy.
Oh my god.
Get the light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour.
Dang.
And I'm not gonna be
Poor Jeff. I mean Jesse. He's just...
It's just a game.
Oh, now you're just throwing your helmet thing.
Alright, it's off. It's off.
Poor Jesse. No games for him. I don't know why Dad do that. It doesn't make sense.
It's okay.
Oh my... Okay. Alright, well... That was... Wow. It makes me surprising. Seriously, why would Jeffrey... Yeah, that's his dad. And yeah, there's 2 Jeffreys. One with his brother and one with his dad. And... Why would he do that? It doesn't even make any sense. I don't know what the heck is his problem. Oh well. Yep, and I think that's pretty much it. And I hope you like it and subscribe to me. And peace off.